Okay, so I am having a major problem with Farming Simulator 17 now. I updated a few days ago on the 21st. Yeah, October 21st, 2017, I updated to Windows File Creator update 1709. Now my computer's been running slow ever since. And I made sure every single driver was up to date before doing this. Okay, now when I get ready to play Farming Simulator 17, come on, let me click on it. There we go. Now I had a save game here, which was the game that I was doing a role play on. When I went to save, it said that it could not save. It popped up a big message, said it could not save, so I exited out. When I went back in, this was blank. However, in my games file and go to documents for my games file, Farming Simulator 17, it shows save game 4. I right click on it. When I go down to delete, there is a administrative shield there, and it says, when I try to click on it, it says that it cannot delete it because I do not have administrative privileges on the computer. I have the only account. It is an administrative account. It is the only one on the computer. So I go into backup games. Right click, copy, try to paste it into that one, would not work. I can paste it in, and I saved it on 5, went into it, but whenever I tried to do anything else, it wouldn't let me. Alright, so I'm going to go in here to save game 6. Now this is a game that I really didn't really have anything that I was focusing on or anything. Now I cut all my mods off, turn them all off, because it doesn't matter whether or not I got them on, but this way I can prove it's not a mod that's affecting this. Okay, so this is the same map that I was on before. Alright, it's Sandy Bay. So I just hit start, go to save. Do you want to continue and overwrite the saved game? Tell it yes. Right there is what it does. The game has not been saved. I click OK. If I try to save it again, it's going to do the same thing. So I go to quit game. Do you want to quit the game without saving? Yes. Okay, it pops back up. Go into career, go back to where that game was. There's nothing there. See, it was right there. So now I'm going to go all the way in here to number 20. I have nothing here, so I'm going to start a whole new game. And this time, I'm going to use Goldcrest Valley. It's a map that's already in the game. I'm going to just pick somebody. I'm going to turn all mods off. I tell it to start the game. Tell it no, I don't want to do the tutorial. Okay, so I'm here in the game. As you can see, everything is working fine. I can teleport to my vehicles, everything. Okay, so now I'm going to come out here. It doesn't matter where I'm at. I'm going to tell it to save the game. Okay, it just saved it the first time. Alright, if I tell it to save again, popped up the message. Now, if I do anything in the game, like let's say that I come over here, I'm just doing this to show that it doesn't matter what I do. Yeah. Forgot to unfold it. Alright, so you see, I'm able to do stuff in the game. I actually do stuff. See, I'm harvesting just like you normally would be able to. I'm not using any mods or anything. So I come in here and I tell it to save. See, same message. Now when I quit the game, try to go back into that file, There's nothing there. It will let me go back into the file and start a whole new game. See, it lets me come back in here and start a whole new game. On this new game, which I'll show you, see, all the work I did there is gone because it's a brand new game. Okay, again, I come in here. Oh, come on. Tell it to save, and immediately now it says that the game has not been saved. I want to exit without saving. Go all the way back to it, and there's nothing there. Windows has been updated. So I go in here to Windows C, Users, and then I go to Documents, Farming, let me see, My Game, Farming Simulator 17. And right here you can see there's Game 4. Right click on it. See, it has the shields over here beside it. Click Delete. You need permission to perform this action. You require permission from the computer's administrator to make changes to this folder. I am the computer's administrator. The file or the username here, WarDemon AI0, that's the one. My brother bought the computer. He's letting me use it, but that's the only profile on this computer. And it is administrator. Click try again, nothing happens. So something is wrong. Every single one of these are the same way. Every single one. If I go into the save game backups, the save game backups are all in here. They're all in here. I just can't paste them over what's here. I can't paste them over it. It will not let me do it. And if I try to put them in here and then change the last digit here to another digit on my backup games, then it'll do the same thing. It'll let me go into the game. I can save it, but then it won't let me save it. If I try, it's corrupted. It will not let me do anything.